this is your channel, Sosanasa1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to know if this charger is working correctly or not using a digital multimeter like this. In this case, for test this charger or power supply, we are going to use this power outlet and this digital multimeter. This is very easy. The first step is read the information on the charger. In this case, here we have 12 volts. This is the output voltage and the input voltage is 110 volts. The input voltage introduced in these points, connecting this to the power outlet, and the output voltage out in this point, connecting the digital multimeter to this point. Now let's set up the digital multimeter. This is very easy. Choose here direct current voltage. This mode is from 200 millivolts to 1000 volts. In this case, inside this mode, we are going to choose 20 volts because 20 volts is higher than 12 volts. This means with this voltage limit, I can measure 12 volts, 14 volts, 15 volts, and all voltage from 0 to 20 volts. Choose with the selector 20 volts, like we are watching now. 20 volts. This is the voltage limit. Now our digital multimeter is ready. The negative in COM and the positive here. Now connect the charger to the power outlet in this way. And this green light means the charger is working. Now connect the digital multimeter test probe to the charger in this point. Introduce the positive inside and touch the negative here. And now watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 12.97 volts. This means this charger is working correctly because the voltage on the digital multimeter screen is stable. This means this charger is working correctly in this case. And it's normal that the number on the digital multimeter screen is higher than the number on the charger. I mean 12 volts here and here almost 15 volts. This means this charger is working correctly. Disconnect now and disconnect here, and in this way we can know if a charger like this is working correctly using a digital multimeter like this. This is your channel Sosanasa1 in English. Subscribe in our channel. Give me a like if you like this kind of content. Share this video and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.